Did you know that India has a place known as the Jurassic Park of India? This isn't just a movie story. Welcome to Narmada Valley, where giant dinosaurs once roamed. Recently, scientists made a shocking discovery: 256 fossilized dinosaur eggs. These eggs belong to a special species called Titanosaurus, one of the largest creatures to ever walk the earth. Can you imagine? The very land we walk on today was once home to massive Titanosaurs, building their nests and raising their young. Around 66 million years ago, a catastrophic event wiped them out from the planet. But their fossils, their eggs, and their remains still whisper the stories of their time. Dinosaur Fossil National Park. In the Bagh region of Dar district, Madhya Pradesh, scientists have discovered fossilized dinosaur bones dating back millions of years. According to researchers, the Narmada Valley was once a perfect home for dinosaurs, with its vast forests, rivers, and lakes. But here's something even more exciting. Scientists have also discovered 92 dinosaur nests, proving that this place was a massive breeding ground for these prehistoric giants. Now, the Indian government is planning to develop a Geo-Park in this region, turning it into a major tourist attraction for the world. So the next time you think of dinosaurs, don't just think of Jurassic Park. Remember Narmada Valley, India's very own dinosaur world. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.